you're at rest, please don't touch anything inside. Clear? Huh? Okay, we are into the second part of it. Second segment, this is Polyhouse. What is the name of it? I told you just now. Very good, that's the right answer. It is protected cultivation. Alternate is for regulated blooming. So that the market, when you go to the market, when all the flowers are of same size, you get more money. When the flowers are different size, our friend is holding here. In this, we use a media, M-E-D-I-A. Media is the food source. Food source for the tissues to grow. Right. Okay, I'll tell you some 5 or 6 points, point by point. Choose a mother stock with all desirable characteristics. Number 1 point. Number 1 point, choose the mother stock. Number 2 point, extricate the tissues from the mother stock. Point, prepare the media. Here, there is a transparent media, right? This is called as MS agar media. Right? Okay, here, this the same thing. This is a model unit, otherwise called as simulation. SIMULATY, simulation unit. If you understand the concept, the same thing in big scale is kept inside. That is the difference.
Every plant has an pot and allows fruits to absorb water, and it has water removal that is blue in color, and it has
The whole process is simple.
and the whole process is
Yeah, simple recycling of.
recycling process. We need to change the water every 1 minute.
Wow,
Very good.
Seriously, listen to her.
These pipes are called channels, which water supplies to the plants, and the plants absorb water by these pipes. It goes, the pipes take.
To climb up, and once it comes here, it will start releasing all its salivary secretions. Then it will start spinning the cocoon. So this is nothing but a cocooning platform.
Usually we have this Chandrika in round shape.
That wooden, this thing is outdated. This is new one.
Modern technology.
This latest one. See, we release so much of this thing. Once it becomes cocoon, then our job
Chandrika.
Then we will be setting it to the Polyhouse for doing up this sericulture. Silicon drying is 28 days. In matter of 28 days, it is 300. This is 300 kg silicon sericulture unit. 1 kg of sericulture is going to last about 8